Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm walking you through how to get the maximum discount available on hosting plans in 2026. While standard promo codes typically offer around 10% off, Hostinger's referral program provides new users with an exclusive extra 20% discount when signing up through a verified referral link, and that's exactly what we're using today. To get started, check the description box below. I've included my referral link customized for various countries, showing prices in your local currency and language for convenience. Click the appropriate link for your region. It will redirect you directly to Hostinger's official site. From the home page, navigate to the top menu and select Hosting or Products and Services to view all available options, including web hosting, cloud plans, VPS, and specialized self-hosted solutions. As a practical example, I'll demonstrate with Hostinger's self-hosted N8N VPS plans. Here you will find the KVM series, KVM1 for lighter use, KVM2 for solid performance, up to KVM8 for heavy workloads. Today we are choosing the KVM2 plan. Add it to your cart and move to checkout. At this stage, the system automatically detects the referral and applies the full 20% discount instantly. You'll notice the reduced price right there on the summary screen, making your total significantly lower than with a regular coupon. Remember, this 20% referral savings is valid on virtually all Hostinger hosting products, so feel free to select any plan that suits your project. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful and it saved you money, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more hosting deals and tutorials, and share it with anyone looking to launch their site affordably. The link is in the description, don't miss out.